G'day guys, how are we? So, in this video, we are doing a track day. So, a few videos ago, as you guys saw, we're preparing my car for a track day. Now, we are going to where, Ben?
We're going to Xmas.
But where? Which track?
Sandown.
And Fletcher's also coming with, as you guys heard last video. So, Ben, you've got your Commodore, and then Fletcher has got his Beast, which is the Rexy just over there. The one that's, we had a video on actually went alright.
Yeah.
It did, yeah. But, yeah, so it's going to be awesome fun. Anyways, let's go on to the track. See you guys there.
Yeah, look, I'm in line with the stars, I'm in sync with the earth. 10 toes deep, flower child from the turf. I never switch sides, like even when I die, I'ma ride for the squad. Let her ties in the hearse. I've been on the vibe, kinda hard to describe. I'm in between, I'm good and it's fine, but I'm tired of the grind. Then I come alive in the night to realize I'm in the middle of the time of my life. I'm never so packed for the stack, never lied on the rap. Got a bag from the way that I write it. Queen Lincoln Tyson, do that ass survive, doing 80 to the house. Then I hit her to the sky, change haters on a tirade. Talking to their crib in the face, be still, let that hit stuff fade. We all want the same, we all want a meal in the safe. I wanna live like I'm trying to enlighten. Just spill from my lips, feel big.
So we had a little situation.
Understatement.
Ben got stuck on the trailer. He's basically his exhaust flange was hitting this and trying to rip his exhaust off. Ben, you're out.
That shouldn't have been that fucking hard.
Anyways, we all set up. We got here about probably 15 minutes ago. Me and Fletcher's very professional pile of crap. Fletcher's cleaning out his car as well, getting all the weight reduction he can out, including like dust and all that.
And big.
Here we go. Weight reduction. Oh bro, that is feral.
They were in that box. The box is flat.
But yeah, so we're just here basically getting ready to go on track and everything. Tyler's in the show and shine, she's cleaning her car. But yeah, should be good fun. We just went and signed in and got our numbers. I am number 45 and Fletch, what number are you?
57.
Do you like your number?
No. Who picks number 57 for anything? No one's number 57.
A bit cut there.
Yeah.
But anyways, we're gonna go back, get everything ready. I'll probably see you guys, I don't really know when, but I'll see you guys when I see you guys, I guess. So we had our first run, which I couldn't record because we had to go out like literally straight away. So I didn't have the time to record it and set up all the cameras and everything. So we went on our first run. Fletcher decided to blow off some intercooler hoses. We fixed them now. You fixed them, yeah? Yeah. Yeah, you fixed them. And I have just done a few adjustments with the bags and everything. And then we should be going to Golden to go in the second round, so that should be good. But I'll definitely set the cameras up. Well, I'm gonna do it right now, so don't forget. And yeah, fingers crossed the next clip will be inside the car, so see you guys then. So Fletcher just went out on his run and something happened, not good at all, to be honest. We think it's rod knock. Well, we pretty much know it's something along the line.
It's knocking. It's knocking.
So poor man. I feel so bad for you, dude. It's because he just got this, like, I don't know if you guys saw a few videos back, but he just got this car tuned, spent heaps of money on the performance side of things, and then the thing, blew.
Built motor.
But yeah, so fingers crossed that it isn't what we think it is, but it looks like it's gonna be. It's a crap situation, honestly. But yeah, I got some more runs coming up. I feel like crap now. I feel so bad for him, but that's cars, I guess. So yeah. Oh, I don't know what to say.
We got the YouTube clickbait now.
Yeah, I know. We blew up motors. Oh yeah, clickbait. Sorry, but
I said that before when my pipe blew up.
Yeah. Now we got real clickbait.
now it's real clickbait. Fletcher's car blew up. It's not exciting, but it's clickbait, whatever it's called. Oh, anyways.
Dude, the tone of his car is unmatched by anyone.
He's tense.
Go faster, you
Slow boy.
It's so much in there, oh my god.
Slow boy.
This cunt. Imagine having
Fletch.
Someone get the thermal camera.
Well, Bailey, for your sake, I certainly hope that that footage is usable. Also, hello, Bailey's YouTube. I'm Connor. You might remember me from the camping video that was like a year ago. Shit angles, shit quality, good types.
So I just went and did some laps then. Thanks to Connor for getting some videos. And basically did pretty well actually. I'm still getting used to car being on a track and all that sort of stuff. I'm not usually sort of on a track. I go out on the Great Ocean Road and have a bit of fun down there, but not actual like proper track things. But yeah, it's good fun. I really enjoy doing it actually. I'm just hoping that I don't get too addicted, or else that's more money I'm going to be spending on cars. But yeah, I'm like literally loving this. This is awesome. I just have to watch my temps a little bit because the car is getting pretty hot. It's getting, any time it gets over about 105, 110, I kind of like lay off it a bit, as you guys probably would have saw. But yeah, I am loving this. This is awesome. I'm going to try to mix up the GoPro like locations and everything and see what's the best location for you guys and all that. So I'll try a bunch of different ones this video, and then hopefully by the next videos we'll be able to get the perfect location. But yeah, I'm wrapped with it. Only problem is I did come in to the pits and they did tell me that I read a little bit higher decibels than what I'm meant to running here, because obviously my car's straight piped. Apparently I ran 92 decibels, I don't know. But they said just, it's all right. I mean, it's not that big of a deal, it's only 2 decibels over. But yeah, just something to keep in note. I'll chuck a muffler on next time. But yeah, so I am like literally loving this. It's awesome fun. Ben's been doing good in his car. Unfortunately, Fletcher's car is out of action, but I'm sure he'll be getting that on the road sooner than later, and probably gonna be videos on that. But yeah, I am loving life. I'll probably see you guys out again in this car, most likely, or possibly could be Ben's. So yeah, I'll see you guys very soon. See you later. Ready, Benny boy? Go! Just going for a start.
throttle when you get to that mid apex if you've got that much.
Okay.
If you've got that much less speed. And go. So you want to be half a meter from there.
Okay.
Second, yes. Go, send it. Yep, good idea. Good stuff.
Ridiculous. Give us a rev, bro.
No.
That took a lot of convincing. Turbo.
Approved.
So, as you guys just saw, I went out and did another run. Went all good. Car's handling perfect, to be honest. I'm actually really, really happy with it. I'm about to go out and do my last run for the day, so fingers crossed nothing bad happens. But yeah, let's go, last run. Hopefully don't blow an engine. like that, the day is over, everyone has left. I'm on the way back with the missus back to her house. It was an awesome day. It was obviously my first track day, so it was a good experience. But yeah, I am like actually stoked. It was actually a really, really good day. I'm pretty happy. Thanks to Ben. He was probably the one you guys could possibly, I don't know if I put it in or not, but here having a chat to me while I was driving. He was giving me like heaps of tips and tricks and all that sort of stuff because he's raced that thing a million times. Yeah, it was seriously good bunch of people there as well. Everyone was having a crack. I genuinely so bad feel sorry for Fletcher, but I guess that's cars and I guess that's a risk you get to take putting it on track. But yeah, I mean, it is what it is, I guess, which it sucks, but you can't really do anything about it now. But yeah, so if you want me to do more track days, I don't know if it's gonna be with the Rexy. We'll have a look. But yeah, well, I mean, I'll probably keep doing Rexmas just once a year sort of thing with the Rexy, but don't really want to track it too much because, I don't know, I don't really want to build this into a track car, to be honest with you. But in the future, I would love to own a track car, 100%. I loved it, I love every second of it. So yeah, if you guys want me to get a track car, let me know in the comments what type of track car you'd like me to get, because yeah, it'd be pretty damn cool. But yeah, if you guys enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. And I shall see you guys next video. See you later.